Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Welcome you all to the Ganesh IAS Academy. The topic that we are going to discuss now is Kerala to Keralam. So what is this topic is about is, recently Kerala State Legislature Assembly has passed a resolution to change its name from Kerala to Keralam. So what is the reason behind it? These are all the things which we are going to discuss in the upcoming slides. So as I said, recently Kerala has passed a resolution to change its name from Kerala to Keralam, and in the resolution it has invoked the Article 3 of the Constitution. So what is this Article 3 of the Constitution? So it deals with formation of new states and the alteration of the areas, boundaries as well as the name of the already existing state. It empowers the parliament to form a new state from the already present state or by combining two or more states, and then it also empowers the parliament to increase or diminish the area of any state, and then it also empowers the parliament to alter the boundaries as well as change the name of any state. So this is what the Article 3 of the Constitution is. So why the term Keralam has been chosen? See, basically the term Kerala is English word. The Keralam is the Malayalam word. During 1956, based on the recommendation of State Reorganization Commission, Kerala as a state came into being based on the linguistic identity. So this is the major reason why Keralam, the Malayalam term, has been chosen for the state's name. Secondly, the resolution also seeks the alignment of the Malayalam name, that is the Keralam, and its official representation in the official document. So that is these two are the primary reason for choosing the Malayalam name Keralam for the state Kerala. So let's look into what is the origin of the name Kerala. It has been said that the Kerala name has been found in Ashoka's Rock Edict 2 of 257 BC, where it has mentioned a term called Kerala Putra, which means son of Kerala in Sanskrit, which denotes the dynasty of Cheras, which is one of the three dynasties that were ruling the southern part of the country. So this is the origin of the term Kerala. So let's look into the demand for the unified Kerala. During 1920s, Aikya Kerala movement began and it gained momentum. So what is the reason or the objective of this movement is, this movement aimed to create the unified Kerala representing the Malayali speaking people, and at the same time it also aimed to integrate the regions like Malabar, Cochin, Travancore into a single territory, and it is based on the shared language, culture, tradition, history and customs of the Malayali speaking population. So this is what the objective behind the unified state demand, which began in 1920s. So how the modern state Kerala has been formed is, so during 1949 Travancore as well as Kochi were merged and it led to a formation of Travancore Cochin state. So after 1956, based on the recommendation of State Reorganization Commission, along with the Travancore as well as Cochin state, Malabar as well as the Kasargod region were also included, and it led to the formation of the present day Kerala. So what is the process that has been involved in changing the name of the state is, so in this case the state, they have passed the resolution. This resolution will be placed before the president, and based on the recommendation of the president, a bill will be introduced in the parliament. So the parliament is the place where the debate as well as the discussion of the bill will be taking place. After the debate and the discussion, the bill will be put into vote. If the bill has been passed by both houses of the parliament with the simple majority, and at the same time if the bill gets the president assent means, then the name of the state will be changed from Kerala to Keralam. So this is the case when the state, they themselves come forward and pass the resolution. There is a case where it will be other way around, where the center or the parliament, they themselves will be coming forward to change the name of the particular state. In that case, the bill will be introduced based on the recommendation of the president in the parliament. During that case, if a particular name or the territory or the boundaries of the particular state is going to be changed, means the president will be referring the bill to the particular state legislature assembly for a particular duration of time. So within the duration of time, the particular state need to give their opinion. So after the time duration has been over means, then the Parliament, based on the recommendation of the President, they can go ahead with the bill based on the opinion or the recommendation that has been made by the President. In this case, the opinion that has been made by the state legislature assembly regarding the bill doesn't have any kind of binding effect on the particular bill, which is against the state view also means they can go ahead with the bill. So this is what the news is about, change of name from Kerala to Keralam.